From 5.9 lakhs. Now if you look, this is classic category. This is one of the categories we are bringing. The second category which we are bringing to the country is called as roadsters. अब इनका जो नाम है, the category has got a name. These are roadsters which are ridden on streets on road, and they get the name from the way they are ridden. So we are launching two products in this category called as Street Triple and Speed Triple. It has got two brands in it, Street Triple and Speed Triple, and the showroom price starts from 7.74 lakhs in Hyderabad. Now dear friends, there is a third category called as adventure. As you can see behind you is the adventure biking. In India, a lot of people go for on-road and off-road. They don't want to ride on roads, they want to go on off-road. There is nothing in India today which is available for them to do off-roading. See, in India, riding culture is becoming large. In the past, the best thing a guy could do is to go to relatives' marriage, birthday anniversary, wedding anniversary. That was the outing. And there was a time when in the old times, we used to go for picnic outside with our family. Nowadays, the outside going is to go to a mall, sit in a restaurant. You never enjoy the nature, you never enjoy the scenery, you never distress yourself. Biking is one method to distress yourself, because you can see the nature, you can go with your family, you can enjoy. So riding is becoming a very, very large culture in India. A lot of like-minded people get together and go for rides. And Triumph motorcycle is not a motorcycle, it is the way of life. So this adventure motorcycle which we are launching in India is going to create a category of its own. It's a different category. For the first time, a luxury and a premium end of motorcycling is providing this bike for an Indian consumer. As we know, all Indian consumers are very demanding. They want different, they want the best, and they want the right price for it. So dear friends, we are today launching also a Tiger 800 and Tiger Explorer, both bikes in this category. And this category is called as adventure category. You can go anywhere, with road, without road. So this is something we are bringing to the country. This is something we are bringing to the people. And the starting price for Tiger will be 12.32 lakhs. And it's very, very competitive. And globally, Triumph Motors sells almost 30-35 sales comes through this segment. This segment is becoming very large even globally. Dear friends, the other category which is very famous in India, anything which looks big, they think is a super bike. Obviously, we are the proud owners of the largest capacity engine under the sky. The largest capacity engine riding on two wheels under the sky is this bike called as Rocket 3. And this comes in the cruiser category. We have two models in it. One is the Storm, another is the Rocket. We are very happy to announce this category here. We call it the big daddy of motorcycles. Nobody can compete with this in this category. And it comes at an ex-showroom price of 20 lakhs. So this is the most premium motorcycle here. And now if we look at the motorcycles which we have presented to you, we have presented to you broad 4 categories. And one of the best categories which I have still not announced is our super sport category, where Daytona is there. In India, everybody knows Daytona very well because Tom Cruise in all his movies, if you see Mission Impossible 2, 3, he has used Daytona and Street Triple very frequently of Triumph. If you see Barbed Wire by Pamela Anderson, she uses a Thunderbird of Triumph. If you have seen Indiana Jones, it uses Tiger. So this brand is very, very widely used by the Hollywood actors, and because it is it has a huge iconic image, and people desire to buy this product a lot. And we are also launching Daytona today, which is a 675 top-end model 4A, and it comes at 11.7 lakhs. Dear friends, all of you know about Triumph. I would like to tell you, Triumph is a company with almost 112 years of heritage. How did it develop? What was it? How did it become such a large brand? Today, Triumph Motorcycle operates out of 54 countries. We are present in 54 countries, and we have 5 manufacturing plants of our own. And we are the fastest growing super premium and luxury motorcycle in the world. If I look at the last 10-year data, the super premium industry is growing at a rate of 30%. And Triumph motorcycle is growing at a rate of 130%. This is because we have the best products in the world, and our only objective and our only aim as the company is to make motorcycle for the rider. आप जितनी भी गाड़ियां यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, आप अगर चार मीनार में भी लेके जाएंगे रोड पे तो वहां पर भी चला पाएंगे. So because our focus is on a rider, our focus is on how to make ride enjoyable. Dear friends, I would like to share with you a video about Triumph history. How did Triumph become from a cycle to a smaller cc to a bigger cc to a very large luxury and premium motorcycle company. Triumph Motorcycle always makes motorcycles for the rider, and we stand for the ride. And being a luxury premium motorcycle company, our focus is to make this brand much more stronger in India. And we have opened the first set of stores. Day for yesterday we opened Hyderabad, Bangalore, and today in Hyderabad. And by the end of March we have 8 odd dealerships in India. And we have got a very good response. And you know, the best part of the Triumph is even without showing a bike, even without anybody taking a ride, we are getting 50 bookings in Hyderabad. That speaks for the brand itself. And they are very expensive bikes. They start from 5.9 up to 20 lakh ex-showroom. Dear friends, to tell you in a short, what does Triumph stand for in the mind of a rider as a brand philosophy which we follow in the company. We make bikes for the rider, and this is the last video I'd like to share with you about the ride, about a rider, about a biker. In fact, 2 days back I was in Bangalore store, we were opening. It was 1:30 in the morning. Me and my colleague Shoaib were there. There was one biker who came on his big bike. He parked it, and he actually came and actually kissed the bike at 1:30 in the morning, saying, "It was my dream and I'm here." This is the passion. This is the brand pull, and this is the dream of a lot of bikers in India. We are almost coming after such a long time, and here we are, and very happy to have associated with a great group which is known for its after-sale service, the group which is known for the customer care, the group which is known to do everything which is important for a consumer, sometimes not looking at the financial part of it, but doing everything for customer. I think this store will be one of our benchmark stores in India. This will be the store where I have told to Saket to take the leadership up for Triumph in India, outside the showroom from the day one. So we have put a lot of focus to create this riding culture in India. We'd like all of you to participate into it. Thanks once again for coming for the conference.